Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another Saturday morning mix. And I'm gonna jump right into it because I got a lot of dice to show you and three cards to show you as well. Now these cards were inspired by, one was inspired by, well, it was, one is a cased card, I should say, instead of inspired, a cased card. And that is by the person that has the YouTube channel name, I want to say Cards and Coffee Time. I absolutely loved her card, so I wanted to recreate it because I had most of the items that she had. So, and I thought the card was gorgeous. And then the other card is inspired by Reverse Confetti. And I will have those cards pop up right about now. All right, and so let me show you what I am using. So this is Gina Marie. This Joy, or Jay, as I say, because I just can't get over where, how they have those little loops down below. But anyways, a Joy card. That's the Joy I used. Reverse Confetti. I'm using this. This turned out so cute. I love it, and I purchased it. And I want to say they still have this in their shop, and it's on clearance. And I bought it at the clearance price. So you might want to run over there and get this after you see this. And then this is Gina Marie. This holly leaf or holly die here. When I say I've had this die for 8 years at least, and I bought it from Whimsy Stamps. Oh my gosh, I mean a long time I've had this die. And then this is from Memory Box. Surprise Creation, I'm using this. I am also using this Sizzix Alteration die by Tim Holtz. And it's just the snowflakes. Using this little snowflake there. CC Designs. Circle die with scallops. Of course, my dashes rectangles. That's always on the inside. And then I am using let's see, Joy, which will be the die. Joy to the World. I'm using that die. All right, and that. Okay, let's jump in. And since Joy is on top, that's what I'm using. I showed this to my daughter. She says, why do you have J? But anyways, I like the card. I like how it turned out. And so there goes that. Oh, and I didn't get these for you. That's from, you can get that from Jaded Blossom there. And then there goes that Reverse Confetti die. I literally had to do surgery on this card because I didn't like how it looked. I had white underneath there, white on top of the ivory, and I didn't like it. I wanted that punch, and so I had to do surgery to get it to look right. But anyways, I still love how it turned out. And there goes that die from Gina Marie. And there goes the inside of the card. So that's that one. And here goes this one. Oh, now here we go. This card brought me a little bit of joy there. Oh, I love it. I love, love, love how this turned out. And so I didn't get the gems of what I was using, but yeah, it's okay. Oh, and I didn't get the paper that I'm using. Oh, I want to show you that paper. It's right beside me. And this is the paper that I picked up from, I want to say Simon Says Stamp. And I think I got it for 99 cents maybe, or maybe it was a free pack from scrapbook.com. But anyways, you can see all of the papers on there. So this was my first time, well, second time using it. I forgot I used it on another tag that I used, but I'm using that paper there. Love this paper. And it was a good deal for whatever price I got it at, or it may have been free. But oh, I love how this turned out. And then there goes the inside using that Gina Marie die again. And then this is the card that I fell in love with from Cards and Coffee Time. I want to say that's the name of her channel. And I know you've seen the card, but this is my version. I love this card. I didn't have her the little background circle die that she used, and I could have, took the time to cut out some snowflakes, but hey, why not use an embossing folder? Quick, simple, and easy. So I love, love, love this card. She inspired me to make one for myself. All right, so make sure you use that hashtag to see everybody's mix and click on Jill Norwood's channel to subscribe to her. And that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.